Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are comfortable. Close your eyes. Rest your hands in any way that feels comfortable for you. Take a nice, filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Continue this breathing a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. May I be well. This phrase is not only incredibly kind to say to ourselves, but it can also help us to calm down in times of stress, worry, or fear. May I be well is a wish for ourself that means a lot of different things. May I be well might mean, may I be healthy. May I be happy. May I feel safe. May I feel loved. May I be brave. May I feel good. Say this phrase in your mind now. May I be well. When you say this line, allow your body to relax a little more each time. Every time you say it, begin to feel heavy and relaxed, a little more and a little more each time. Say this phrase in your mind now and relax. May I be well. May I be well. Relax fully. May I be well. When you think of the phrase, may I be well, in what area of your life do you wish to feel happier, healthier, or brighter? For the rest of this mindful minute, listen to the music, and when you hear this sound, just repeat in your mind, may I be well, and allow it each time to make you feel more relaxed, safe, and healthy. Listen for the sound. Repeat the phrase. Feel good in your body. May I be well. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find all that's good in your day.